Today on whole thing, OG let you know what time it is in the streets.
I don't mean no disrespect or nothing like that.
You hear that, man? That man
But
said no disrespect.
it don't came down to this right here.
For real,
You
man.
got to have them. Even if you
Nigga
at
ain't
McDonald's.
tussling no more.
Even if you at the mall. You got to have them. Because you never know what's going to happen.
One thing about it,
I don't want to shoot
niggas
nobody.
respect
And I don't want nobody to hurt me.
Shit.
But when you come, you better come correct. I ain't going to play with you. I got to give it to you like you going to give it to me.
For real.
Still love you, though.
Nigga ain't playing.
But I'm getting old.
Shit.
Can't tussle.
For real. That's what it is, man. Shit. It's the whole thing, man. He letting you know, man. Nobody don't want to hurt you. Just stay out of nigga way. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah.
Shit, OG got 2 throwaways for these niggas' asses. That's it, man.